Hey guys, Healthy Head Coach Lisa here. In this video, I want to break down Better Balance for you so you can decide if it is the right plan for you. Better Balance focuses on healthy, whole foods with a real emphasis on the zero-bite food list. More than any other plan, this plan is designed to make tracking easier by offering the largest zero-bite food list of all the plans. It also helps steer you into making healthier choices by how it calculates a food's bite value score. On this particular plan, calories, saturated fat, sugar, and protein are all considered, with higher sugars raising the value and higher proteins lowering the value. If you're looking to reduce your sugar consumption and get more into eating a whole food or Mediterranean style life, this could be a great choice. This is the only plan to offer proteins and many starchy vegetables as zero. So that means that your eggs, chicken breast, seafood, yogurt, peas, beans, corn, those are all considered true zeros. Zero in any amount. This can be great if you want lots of variety that you don't have to track, but you need to be sure that you can control your portions. 0 bites does not mean 0 calories. Better Balance also has a few special notes. The first is the blended fruit rule. If you take any fruit or vegetable and blend it or juice it, even if that was originally 0, it then needs to be counted. People handle this in a variety of ways, but that is what is supposed to happen on this plan. The second thing to note is that the recipes in the recipe database, meal plans, and the foods that you will find through using voice tracking, all of these show full nutritional values, and they have not removed the bites for 0-bite foods. You will need to rebuild those recipes in your recipe builder using the correct 0 listing so that you can get accurate bites for those. That's pretty much all there is to know. If you need more help, join us in our main Facebook group, Healthy Wellness Support, or there's actually a Better Balance specific group as well. Links to a downloadable 0-bite food PDF, a detailed plan guide, and the Facebook group links are all to be found in the description box below.